Here's a concise study guide for Azure Container Instances, ACI. Azure Container Instances, ACI, Study Guide. Azure Container Instances, ACI, is a serverless container service that allows you to run containers in the cloud without managing VMs or orchestrators. ACI is ideal for short-lived tasks, microservices, and burst workloads. It supports both Linux and Windows containers. Key features: serverless containers, no VM management, Azure handles infrastructure, fast startup, containers start in seconds, ideal for event-driven workloads. Flexible configuration, customize CPU, memory, GPU, and environment variables per container. Persistent storage, attach Azure files to provide persistent storage to containers. Networking options, public IP, direct internet access. Virtual network integration, connect to Azure VNets for private networking. DNS name label, assign a fully qualified domain name to the container instance. Scaling, while ACI itself doesn't auto-scale like AKS, it can be integrated with Azure Logic Apps, functions, or Kubernetes for scaling scenarios. Use cases, event-driven tasks, and batch processing. Rapid development and testing of microservices. CI/CD pipelines and temporary workloads. Burst workloads for applications that occasionally need extra compute. Management and deployment. Deploy using Azure Portal, CLI, PowerShell, or ARM templates. Supports container groups, allowing multiple containers to share resources and networking. Integrates with Azure Monitor and Log Analytics for monitoring and diagnostics. Limitations: not ideal for long-running, stateful applications. Limited auto-scaling compared to AKS. Cannot directly orchestrate complex workflows. Used with Kubernetes or Logic Apps for orchestration. Key commands: Azure CLI. Als container kredit deploy container. AZ container list container instances. Als container logs vblogs. AZ container exec connect to container shell.